Welcome to B&J's Vlogs 101. Now, hey everybody, I was just sitting at home, it's 9 something, and I was just sitting, wasting some time, trying to think, but you guys should check out the rain that was going on this week. Has been crazy, and I gotta show you guys that. Here we go. There was some horrible rain, but you guys are wondering why that wall, why that yellow thing is like sideways. I don't know why that thing is sideways. It's weird. It just looks moving. So I'm gonna go think and leave you guys alone. So peace and see you guys tomorrow.